and we're going to learn how to improve your Windows search box in this video. Sometimes when searching for something in your search box, you might find it and you might not find it, and this is tied to two things: whether your Windows search box is set to the classic mode or is set to advanced mode. In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know and how to improve this your search box so you find anything that you are searching for. And when your search box is set to the classic mode, you will have access to the primary files or folders on your PC. But when it's set to the enhanced mode, you will have access to apps, folders, your local disk, external disks, and any other external drivers which is connected to your PC. So I'm going to show you how to get this thing done on your PC. Let's jump to our PC and get things done. On your PC, we're going to locate our start menu and click on it. Then proceed to tap on settings, and right on the left panel you have tons of options. Make sure to select on privacy and security, and with this selected, continue to scroll down until you locate search, and this will redirect you to an interface like this. Under the indexing status, make sure the search history is toggled on, and also the show search highlight is also toggled on. And then again, the search my account, both the Microsoft and the work or school, make sure this too is toggled on. Then proceed to scroll down to the bottom until you locate advanced indexing option, and this is where we are going to make some important adjustment here. So make sure you select the advanced indexing option, and with that selected, the advanced indexing option dialog box will appear. Make sure you proceed to select on modify, and this will pop up another dialog box, and this is where we're going to make some important adjustment here. So make sure all the things you see here is all selected. Currently mine is only these two folders, but in your case, make sure all other drives that you see here is selected. Then after that, proceed to click on OK, and then you can continue to close this indexing option dialog box. And that's not all. We're going to make sure we do the most critical stage here. So we're going to proceed to scroll up on this interface. So assuming you have certain folder or file that you don't want it to be showing anytime you are doing this search in your search box, all you have to do is to make sure you tap on the add an excluded folder, and I'm going to make sure I tap on this, and this will open another dialog box where you can locate any file or folder that you want to exempt or exclude it from showing up in your search box. So you can locate the file or folder by navigating on your PC, whether it's in the Windows C or it's on the download or the document or any other thing. And after you finish locating it, you can then proceed to select on select folder and then close it, and this will automatically add that file or folder to the excluded folder that you don't want it to be showing in the exemption folders. And after you are done with that, then we're going to make sure under the find my files, currently mine is selected on the classic mode, so make sure you toggle on the enhanced mode, and automatically you toggle it on. Your search box will now start indexing all other folders and files that you have on your PC. So in this same interface, when we scroll up, right on the top right corner we have the indexed and then pending. So it is giving me an update on how many files is now currently indexing, and the one which is already finished is also updated here. And if you want to know whether your indexing is roughly done, the pending will reduce up to 0, and that is when you will know that your files or folders indexing has completed successfully. And roughly it takes on an average of 1 hour depending on the amount of data that you have on your PC. And some of you might be asking, I heard this consume tons of battery life and then performance issue. In my experience, the indexing option roughly doesn't consume anything at all, because once the files or folders is finished indexing, it wouldn't be doing any other performance at the background, and your PC is now on level play and you can use it and get things done. And assuming you even want to off it, you can go ahead and off it, and automatically it will pause in itself at the background, and when you are done, it will also pop up for you to get things done on your PC. And in my experience, it is best you can use the Windows search box to search for any other folder or files or apps and any other things without having to worry about its location. And if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. And if you enjoyed this video, consider to subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.